It seems like Uterelo, she's more special than Lwandle. So Vuyokazi's supporters are now using Lwandle to fight their battle against Musamseleka, because when it comes to Vuyokazi, they are not winning. Anyway, guys, let's get started today. No, the rest of the house is Samaran Pace and welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Anyway, guys, I don't understand why people are including Lwandle in this shende. So, Umusamsaleko has been posting a Singabako Terelo sign to a point where people are saying that the fact you are gonna get tired of using Terelo sign, hoping you are hating your other grandchildren can't next, they won't even recognize you in 10 years to come. So some are saying that, wait a minute, when are you going to post Lwandle's son Ave Uketa? So people are saying that we do understand that you're not gonna post it Vuyokazi's kids, but what about Lwandle, guys? They are now using Lwandle to fight Vuyokazi's battle. We still remember there was a lady who came out on social media. It was Lwandle's ex-girlfriend who claimed to be pregnant with Lwandle's child, to a point where there was a lot of drama going on in WhatsApp exchange message between her and Lwandle, guys. So there was a lot of shendi. Some even went on to say that she has given birth. But knowing Musamseleko, because he likes to post, you probably would have posted the child if there was a child. I've never seen Lwandle posting any child on an Instagram account. He even went on to post another girlfriend. So people are saying that Uyaketa, you need to post Lwandle's son. Right now it is Lwandle's son. You've been posting Singabako, guys, but if you've been following Musamseleko, you still remember when Vuyokazi was hiding her second child. She did not want to post, she did not want to show her his face. Musamseleko did not waste time. He did post, and people went on to say thank you Baba Mseleko for posting the child. Even Vuyokazi had no choice but to also reveal a second child face yengane yakhe, because already Musamseleko has shown everybody. So now when they are saying that Lwandle has a child, there was no way Musamseleko was gonna hide it from us, guys. One thing about Musamseleko, he does not hide anything from us. He was gonna post and we were going to know. So maybe there's a chances that they are hiding it for content for this Tembo season 3 or for Tembo season 8. We're gonna find out if Lwandle has a child or not, guys. So some even went on to say that it seems like Vuyokazi's supporters are now tired with Musamseleko. They have accepted Musamseleko, guys, is not gonna change. He will do whatever he wants when it comes to his social media page. He is not gonna listen to anyone. He has been posting Singabako since Christmas. The reason why Musamseleko is posting Singabako is because he's spending more time with Singabako. Tirelo, she's currently now in Mzumbe. I've seen her posting they were having a dinner. So these are the opportunity Musamseleko she's getting with Singabako, guys, compared to Vuyokazi's kids. We cannot expect him to post the Vuyokazi's kids all the pictures. What if he doesn't have new pictures compared to Singabako? As you can see with Singabako, he's closer to him. As you can see, they are together on picture. When the last time do you see Musamseleko and Vuyokazi's kids? Let's all be honest, guys, it is what it is. So now Vuyokazi's supporters are getting tired of begging Musamseleko to post Vuyokazi's kids, and now using Lwandle to say, what about Lwandle? What about Sneh? I've seen that some are saying that, what about Sneh? Because you're not posting Sneh's kids. You know, they are tired of Vuyokazi because they know that when it comes to Vuyokazi, obviously, guys, at the end of the day, Musamseleko is doing this so that people can talk. Everything that people are doing here on social media is content. Sometimes people will do it so that you can talk, and the more you talk, the more they get famous. You know, it is what it is. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.